What's up, guys? What's up, guys? No, that's dumb. This is my 1959 Ford F100 custom rat rod. I've done a few customs for myself. I did a 46 Chevy on a diesel chassis. I just sold my 53 Cadillac on a diesel flatbed chassis. That was heartbreaking to sell that, but I did. I got good money for it. And the guy is super happy that he has a really cool vehicle. But the thing I'm here to talk about right now is my 59 F100. So for the purpose of this video, which is basically a narrative of what was built in this truck, I'm going to start from the outside. I'm going to work my way around the back to the back. On the front of the truck, hopefully you can see straight away the outside LED or LEDs. The inside lights are H4 bulbs. The headlight and buckets have been custom fabricated to mount these LED lights. They're super bright. They are more powerful than modern car headlights. And then of course the turn signals and the front running lights are also LED. And working our way back, those are the Krager 17-inch wheels. Backed up by a classic performance disc brake conversion. A very nice kit, super easy to install. Stops on a dime. As we continue along the back, all original body. Minimal rust. That's probably the worst rust damage on the whole vehicle. And it's not even that bad. Continuing on the back. So the back end is pretty much how I found it when I bought it out in the field in the middle of somewhere near Sacramento. Except what I did is I modified the bumper to use the LED trailer lights, and then through LMC Truck I bought brand new LED taillights with LED lenses. It's all new. The backup lights are super bright, and then you can kind of see poking out of the back end. That's the aluminum gas tank. I bought that and had re-welded the whole thing because it wasn't welded very well. I've been TIG welding for 20 years and the welds are very solid. You access the gas tank from right here. So I used all AN fittings, Aeroquip style AN fittings on it. So working our way towards the front of the truck. We'll go ahead and take a look at the underside. Those are dual exhausts. It's a 2-inch exhaust system. That's a brand new drive shaft made by Driveline Service, San Leandro. That was not cheap. Oh yeah, and of course we've got the transmission cooler. Very, very nice. Electric fan, it's temperature sender built into the transmission. Works great. Rarely comes on, but it's really great when it does come on because you know that transmission is protected. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and move into the interior of the truck. We'll start with the doors. I have done absolutely nothing to these doors. I've got all new door seals. I've got all new brand new glass. Door handles and everything you need to make the doors perfect. Heading into the cab, we've got Dakota digital gauges that fit right into the original bezel. A very expensive addition, but worth it, I have to say. So you can see fully functional digital gauges are very nice to have. I decided to do a mechanical oil pressure gauge to back up the digital one. I have never hooked up the digital oil pressure gauge just because I'm kind of lazy and I don't really care. The floor is Dynamat. Nothing fancy here. That's the electronic brain for the Dakota digital gauge package. Super easy to work with, kind of endlessly modified. All right, that's the exterior tour. Oh wait, I forgot. That's a brand new windshield. Absolutely perfect condition. All right, welcome to the engine compartment to my 1959 Ford. Starting from the front is a 3-row aluminum radiator with a 14-inch pusher fan. Keep this thing nice and cool. Stays at about 180 degrees. That is the 460 big block Ford engine with Hedman headers connected to a brand new exhaust system. That's a 100 amp AGM battery, or sorry, 78 amp hour, 80 amp hour AGM battery. Followed that with a MSD ignition. That's the classic performance disc brake, master cylinder, and vacuum booster. And has a brand new water pump, brand new 200 amp 1-wire alternator. Keeps the battery nice and well charged. That's a set of horns from a BMW. And then of course the wiring harness is brand new. I purchased a V8 gas engine American Auto wire harness, installed it, kept the wiring fairly clean. The steering on this truck is absolutely factory. There is no power steering. And down the bottom you can see the aftermarket cross member support. I modified that.